Congratulations. Nigerians in Germany, congratulations. You people have gone to destroy Germany again. And the government of Germany is coming after you people. I want you to watch the video and watch what the government of Germany says about Nigerians.
Deutschland ist fest in der Hand krimineller, zumeist arabischer oder nigerianischer Clans. Kriminelle Clans betreiben massiv Schutzgelderpressung, Menschenhandel, Waffenhandel, Drogenhandel, Zwangsprostitution, begehen Raubüberfälle, Betrug, Körperverletzung.
Now, the government of Germany are saying that Nigerians in that country are involved in drug trafficking, human trafficking, tax evasion, and all kinds of criminal activities. But thanks to God that they are not bringing all this on all African migrants in that country. And it was said that if it was in Italy, every African migrant would have been affected with this indictment that is coming on Nigerians. So German government will be clamping down on every Nigerians in Germany, both the ones that are doing legit. I told you people that your country is under a curse, but it will look like I am just talking, I just hate Nigerians. I just like talking nonsense. You see, these things that you guys are doing, you are digging the grave of our future generation. Their downfall, you are already digging that pit of their downfall. You people are so wicked, selfish, self-centered. You have degraded our passport. You have made our passport irrelevant and useless. Seychelles, all those beautiful countries that you can go, for luxury, for holidays, you've gone there to traffic drugs, and they don't want us in those places anymore. German is coming, and one thing about Europe, when one country starts, it will start spreading from one European country to the other. Very soon we will be isolated. But my prayer is that let it be only Nigerians that will face that isolations. You people are under a curse. In short, you need Umbeleku. That's what you need. Your case is beyond deliverance. You people, you are beyond redemption. I'm telling you. You are just becoming too much all over the world. MTN, everywhere. In Japan, the same story. In United Kingdom, the same story. Everywhere. In all African countries, they don't want you people. In Kenya, they hate you people with passion. Ghana, you have destroyed Ghana. You have beaten their mothers. You are taking their shops. Oh my God. I am tired of talking. I have begged South African government, the ones that are here, please underlife them or remove them, so that at least the world can recognize we that are doing legit. I am tired of being labeled as a criminal when I have not even committed a criminal offense before. So I pray that the government of Germany should not only get rid of them, unalive them, destroy them, because they are even useless. But if you take them away from Germany, they will go somewhere else. They will go to Italy, because these people are virus. They are virus. Their government has abandoned them. They are orphans. They are bad news. Just unalive them. Do us a favor. Destroy those aliens. How? How did I share nationality with these things?